Hi, welcome back to my classes on advanced organic chemistry, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, class number 8. That means previously I had 7 classes on advanced organic chemistry, and many classes I have already shared on organic chemistry, basic organic chemistry in my YouTube channel, My Intuition. So here in this class, I'm going to explain about ortho effect as well as the orientation effect in other rings other than benzene. Other rings, mainly heterocyclic rings, not all heterocyclic rings, some selected heterocyclic rings I'm explaining today. So first one, that is ortho effect. So ortho effect, in benzene ring, if it has got a substitution, mono substitution, if it is there, then we know which is the ortho position, which is the para position, and what is the meta position. That already explained in previous class. So ortho effect, it refers mainly to a set of steric effects and some bonding interactions along with polar effects caused by various substituents which are in a given molecule, altering its chemical properties and physical properties. That means the ortho effect, that means substitution takes place mainly at the ortho position, that other than para and meta position, and it affects the chemical as well as physical properties. That effect we call as ortho effect. And in general, ortho effect, it is discussed or explained with that of substituted benzene compounds. There are mainly three ortho effects as far as the scientific and community classified it as ortho effect in substituted benzoic acid. I said the scientific community. Okay, so we can call it as first ortho effect, and there is no special consideration of giving first ortho effect to this. Just for our convenience, it is given, that is based on some reduction property and that. So we consider that benzoic acid, the ortho effect, how it affect the ortho position, how it affect the acidic character in benzoic acid, because benzoic acid, the name itself, it is acidic, it should be acidic. So benzoic acid structure I'm drawing. So it is C6H5COOOH. Okay, it becomes acidic. We can call it as acidic when it separates, the proton separates as H plus and O minus. Okay, so if H are the separation, if the proton goes away from this molecule, then we can say that it is acidic. The more easily the H plus goes out, the more acidic will be the compound. Okay, therefore we'll check what will happen if it has got ortho. So in case of benzoic acid, when H plus goes, we can say that the negative charge got little bit stabilization here. But even from the benzene ring also, there is an electron movement towards the carbonyl carbon, and this will actually nullifies the effect, and the H plus tries to come back. That means it is not as such acidic, even though we call it as benzoic acid. It is not as such acidic than normal mineral acids, because the H plus, it will come back. It is not as free, it cannot go away from the molecule. Okay, so if it has got an ortho substitution, say example ortho nitrobenzoic acid. So ortho nitrobenzoic acid means ortho position having NO2 group, then benzoic acid structure I am drawing. So what I made the difference compared to benzoic acid, when a ortho position nitro group came, or any substituent present at ortho position, this a bulkier group, there will be a change in the bond angle, or it will go away from the plane of the molecule, and then this 3 pi electrons or 3 pi bonds or 6 pi electrons in the aromatic benzene, and the conjugation with the carbonyl group, it will be disturbed because of the steric. That means now these electrons cannot easily go and have conjugation with the carbonyl group. Therefore, if it becomes if I write it as ionized state, say O minus and H plus, the oxygen, the negative charge on oxygen can go to the carbonyl functional group, and it can stabilize by that internal mesomeric effect or resonance effect. And from the benzene ring, there is not much contribution because the plane, it got altered. So this pi electron cannot overlap with the carbonyl group. Therefore, here the H will go H plus as H plus easily compared to that of a benzoic acid. That means the acidic character is increased when there is a ortho substitution present in that. Okay, so when any group is present at ortho, to carbonyl group in substituted benzoic acid, then the acidic character of that compound becomes at least more than benzoic acid. We never say that it becomes highly acidic. Compared to benzoic acid, the acidic character, it is increased. Therefore, generally, orthosubstituted benzoic acid are stronger acid than their meta and para isomer also. Even the substituent present at meta position or present at para position will not affect that plane of that carbonyl group. Therefore, only at meta position you can see that difference that you can compare from literature. You take the pKa value of different orthosubstituted benzoic acid. You can see most of the cases the orthosubstituted cases, the acidic character is more. That means pKa value will be very less compared to para as well as meta substituents. Now, general explanation given that when a group is present ortho to the carboxylic acid group in substituted benzoic acid, the steric hindrance which forces the carboxyl group to twist out of the plane of the benzene ring, which inhibits the resonance of carbonyl group with the phenyl ring, which increases acidity of carboxyl group and was otherwise reduced due to destabilizing cross conjugation. So cross conjugation is not possible when there is a twist of the plane of the carboxyl group due to steric hindrance. Now also, not only the steric hindrance, the formation of hydrogen bonding. Okay, so also the presence of a hydrogen bond donor near a carboxyl group may act to enhance its acidity. That means orthohydroxybenzoic acid, it can have intramolecular hydrogen bonding with the OH of the substituent at ortho position with the carboxyl group or carbonyl oxygen of the carboxyl group, which increases the acidity of that. Okay, so I'll take the example orthohydroxybenzoic acid. OH group is there, then COOH. Anyhow, because of the presence of substituent at ortho position, steric hindrance is there. In addition to that, so when it becomes the corresponding ions, means H plus separates out. Here there is an additional hydrogen bonding is possible with the hydrogen of hydroxyl, because compared to hydrogen, this oxygen it is more electronegative, therefore hydrogen will become partially positively charged, and here the carbonyl oxygen is also partially negatively charged. It will attract that electron, therefore some electron density of the carbonyl oxygen is given to that hydrogen, therefore this charge on the oxygen, the negative charge on the oxygen can come easily towards that oxygen, therefore it will be even more, the negative charge on that oxygen is further reduced, therefore H plus become free, therefore it increases the acidic character. H plus can become freely, it can go away, therefore even the not only steric hindrance effect, even if intramolecular hydrogen bonding presents, that also increases the acidic character or variation in acidic character is seen in case of benzoic acid, which comes under ortho effect. So that is only first ortho effect. This is second ortho effect, which is seen in substituted aniline. Aniline means C6H5NH2. Okay, it is also called as second ortho effect or SIP, that is steric inhibition of proton effect, which causes the variation in basic character. Okay, so aniline structure I'm drawing. Okay, so NH2. Okay, so it has got a lone pair of electron at nitrogen. That because of that, it can be basic in nature. It can attract one proton. Okay, any compound we call it as base if it can attract a proton, or if it reacts with a acidic compound, therefore we can call it as a proton. Base. Okay, so that reaction, how that proton, this lone pair of electron, it tries to attract a proton, therefore it is basic in nature. Aniline is basic in nature. Now, what ortho effect will do? If a substituent at ortho, say a tertiary butyl group present at ortho position, tertiary butyl group means having 4 carbon atoms, and it can be represented like that, tertiary butyl group. It is present at the ortho position, so you can say that steric hindrance is there, therefore this bond will be affected. Okay, even the resonance also it got affected, but in addition to that, this molecule, this tertiary butyl group, it is very bulky group here compared to methyl group or any other substituent, whatever you can take the example. So this is a bulky group. It almost covers the electron density on this carbon and the 3 more hydrogen present. It covers this nitrogen with a lone pair of electron. The electron density, it got covered. Okay, so that is represented with a circle there. That electron density, it is covered. Therefore, the lone pair of electron, it cannot donate electron to the proton, because already there is group which blocks that. Therefore, H plus cannot be attracted to the nitrogen easily. Therefore, we can say that the variation in basic character is present. So when any group is present at ortho to NH2, that is amino group in aniline, then the basic character of that compound becomes at least less than aniline. Basic character is decreasing. General explanation given: the protonation of substitute aniline is inhibited due to steric hindrance. Upon protonation, the hybridization of nitrogen in amino group changes from sp2 to sp3. Okay, initially before protonation, NH2, it is sp2 hybridized. That means it can be in same plane, or the nitrogen and 2 hydrogens, and even the benzene carbon, they can be in the same plane. But when it becomes sp3 hybridized state, it will try to take that what we call a tetrahedral shape we explain in case of alkanes. Therefore, it becomes 3-dimensional. It cannot be in a plane. Therefore, a 3-dimensional arrangement will be there, or that will affect the steric hindrance with the ortho substituent, and also alters the conjugated acidic nature of the conjugate acid is become less stable, and hence decreases the basicity of a substituted aniline. Therefore, finally, it is the steric hindrance which decreases the acidic nature, basic nature of ortho substituted aniline, which comes under, which we can call as ortho effect. Now, if you compare the basic character, aniline is more basic than that of orthotoluidine, orthonitroaniline, orthohaloaniline, orthoaminophenol. So you can see that all are having the ortho effect. Now the third one, that is ortho effect in disubstituted benzene compound. It is also called as third ortho effect. Just for convenience, don't get confused by the numbers, by first ortho effect, second ortho effect, and third ortho effect. Just for convenience, taken some reduction capability or ambiguity is considered. So the regioselectivity of an incoming electrophile. Okay, the position where the incoming electrophile can go and occupy, that is the meaning of regioselectivity of incoming electrophile, where it can occur for the case if a meta directing group is present, meta to ortho para directing group. Is it a little bit confusing? They will take the example. For example, electrophilic aromatic nitration of 1-methyl 3-nitrobenzene. 1-methyl 3-nitrobenzene structure I am giving. Okay, so this is 1-methyl 3-nitrobenzene. So here the NO2, we can call it as, it is a electron withdrawing property it has got. CH3 methyl group has electron donating property it has got. Therefore, we can say CH3 is ortho para directing group, or CH3 is ring activating group, whereas NO2, it is meta directing group, or it is ring deactivating group. And here this is meta directing group. NO2 is meta directing group, and it is at meta position compared to the ortho para directing group. That is the word meaning. That is the meaning of the previous slide. That if a meta directing group is present, meta to an ortho para directing group. Okay, so don't get confused with the statement as such. Okay, so this is the case. A meta directing group is present at a meta position compared to the ortho para directing group in benzene, disubstituted benzene. Okay, so on nitration, what will happen? Where the extra NO2 group, nitration means we are adding NO2 group plus NO2, positively charged NO2 is the electrophile there. How that electrophile is formed and are explained in previous classes of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, or the basic organic chemistry classes in which I explained it in detail. Okay, that is very important. So where this NO2 group will go and occupy, it will go to the ortho position of the meta-directing group. It will go to the ortho position of the meta-directing group. Meta-directing group is NO2. Compared to NO2, the ortho position is this. Okay, even this is ortho position, but here steric hindrance is there, and this particular position which I am representing here with the arrowhead, that is the para position compared to NO2 group, or para position to the meta-directing group, and this position, it is meta position to meta-directing group. Okay, so this type of rearrangement it is seen. NO2 group will go to the ortho position of the meta-directing group, or substituent at ortho position to meta-directing group. Approximately 60% yield is obtained, and this becomes the major product, that is 4-methyl-1,2-dinitrobenzene. Whereas the other product, that is NO2, there becomes only 30%. That is, I can say that due to the steric hindrance, two groups present here, it goes in between. Therefore, it has got some steric hindrance. Therefore, that is available only up to 30% yield is obtained, and the 2-methyl-1,4-dinitrobenzene is obtained approximately 10% only. Therefore, the major product how the major product is obtained, that is explained as ortho effect. Okay, therefore the incoming group primarily goes ortho to meta-directing group rather than para. This is called ortho effect. Similar results were also observed on nitration of 3-methyl-benzoic acid. Similar results were also observed on the nitration of 3-methyl-benzoic acid as well as 3-bromo-benzoic acid. Therefore, that is considered as an ortho effect in disubstituted benzene compound. That means the incoming electrophile will go to the ortho position to the meta-directing group. That is known as third ortho effect. Now this topic, orientation in other ring system, very important topic, because in lower classes we studied about the orientation in benzene ring, the ortho para-directing groups, the meta-directing groups, and the resonance stabilization of different substituted benzene rings. So some of the heterocyclic compounds, orientation in other ring system also very much important in research point of view mainly. Therefore, higher studies always it is research oriented. Therefore, heterocyclic compounds are the newly searched products, and many drugs based on heterocyclic. Many drugs are having heterocyclic ring. Therefore, it's very important to understand what type of orientation effects are there in heterocyclic compound. So first, this class explaining about some of the example with 5-member ring. Not all the examples I'm taking. Okay, 5-member ring I'm taking here as example. So orientation in heterocyclic compounds. 2 aromatic 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. So some of the examples, this we call as pyrrole. It is visible to you. NH is there, and nitrogen having a lone pair of electron, and the lone pair of electron I represented inside the ring because that becomes a part of that aromatic nature. Okay, it participates in conjugation here. Therefore, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron system. That is n equal to 0. 4n plus 2 pi electron system explains aromatic nature. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. Okay, therefore another example based on nitrogen only. Nitrogen has heteroatom. Okay, that is pyrazole. If at that position it becomes, if nitrogen disubstitution, 2 nitrogen are present at these 2 positions, we call it as imidazole. Like that with the oxygen, that is furan, isoxazole, oxazole. Then with sulfur it becomes thiophene, sulfur and nitrogen, thiazole, sulfur and again nitrogen at different positions, isothiazole, and it is in isoelectronic with the carbocycle. This particular carbocycle means the electronic structure, the electron cloud, if calculate, with this carbocycle, this is carbocycle, only carbon and hydrogen are present, or only carbon present in the ring. Therefore, we call it as carbocycle, and these compounds we call it as heterocycle because heteroatom is present in the ring. Okay, therefore, carbocycle and heterocycles are given. So, I am not taking all the examples of this. I'm taking only pyrrole, furan, and thiophene for this particular class video. How different electrophilic substitution reaction possible in those I'm explaining. If you give the numbering system, number 1 always given to the heteroatom, and it goes to number 2. The position 2 is also called as alpha position. Position 3 is represented here. Position 3 is also called as beta position. Then 4, it is again beta, and 5, it is alpha. Therefore, 2 alpha position, 2 beta positions if we number in terms of alpha beta. Otherwise, it is 1 2 3 4. Even if you go left side also, it becomes 1 2 3 4 already. Okay, so that about the numbering. The pyrrole, furan, and thiophene are all more reactive than benzene towards electrophilic aromatic substitution (EAS). Okay, so very important topic it is. Okay, because the lone pair on heteroatom can donate electron density into a ring by resonance, thus stabilizing the carbocation intermediate more effectively. So, competitive exams as well as for many interviews, you can expect this question: why pyrrole, furan, and thiophene are more reactive than benzene? Okay, so we'll take that with examples. We'll explain. Okay, so at position 2, if in a 5-member ring, at position 2 or alpha position, if an electrophile attacks, okay, so generally represented with X, it can be NH, it cannot be single N, it should be NH. Okay, nitrogen should have 3 bonds, then only it is stable with a lone pair of electron, or it can be oxygen with a lone pair of electron, or sulfur with a lone pair of electron, and the lone pair of electron is participating in resonance. It is a part of that 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Okay, we call it as pi excessive system actually. Compared to benzene, these heterocyclic compounds we call it as pi excessive system because of the presence of lone pair of electron as part of the aromatic ring. Okay, so if considering the electrophilic attack at position 2, therefore at position 2 represented the hydrogen atom also. Okay, hydrogen atom is present into position 2, 3, 4, and 5 also hydrogen is there. But we considering that position 2 substitution takes place, therefore this hydrogen has to be substituted, therefore it is represented. Okay, therefore the electron arrangements, if at position 2 the attack has to take, that means the electron rearrangement happening like this. The lone pair of electrons is in conjugation with the pi electrons. They participate in resonance and the electron density increased at position 2. When electron density is increased at position 2, the electrophile can be easily attacked there. Okay, therefore E is attached there, and you can see the lone pair of electron is went inside the benzene ring. The heteroatom, so it is not halogen atom here, don't confuse. X is not considered as halogen atom. It is not bromine, it is not chlorine, it is not iodine, it is not fluorine. It may be either NH or oxygen or sulfur. It gets a positive charge because the electron density is went away from it. Okay, therefore, to neutralize that positive charge, now the resonance stabilization. The first step, it is a slow step in which the electrophile forms a bond with the aromatic ring and undergoes a resonance stabilization. So that resonance stabilization I'm representing here. Don't think that the initial case the electron density went away and again it is coming back. Okay, so this is the resonance structures I'm drawing. Okay, the possible resonance structures. Now the bond shifted to the heteroatom, therefore positive charge is to this particular carbon, and the remaining double bond present there as such. Now to minimize this positive charge, already represented the arrow. Okay, to minimize this positive charge, and the next pi electrons will try to form. So this positive charge means there is a vacant p orbital, and here also p orbital with electron. Therefore, the electron sharing takes place here. So the electron density moves towards that to minimize that positive charge, and we'll get the next resonating structure with a positive charge shifted to that place. Then a removal of proton takes place. So these three represents the resonating structures. The resonance hybrid contributing structures. Then deprotonation takes place, that is minus H plus. We'll get the electrophile substituted 5-member heterocyclic compound. Now we can say here 3 resonating structures are possible if the position 3 attacks, or beta position if the electrophile attack, that means at 3 position representing the hydrogen. Again same electron density, how it reached there, then it attacked by electrophile, then electrophile is attached to the positive charges there on the heteroatom. Therefore, now resonating structures we need to draw. Okay, the electron density moves towards the heteroatom. The heteroatom gets the lone pair of electron back. Electrophile as such it is there, and positive charge is there on a this particular carbon, because the electron density moved away from this carbon, it gets positive charge. Now deprotonation, because only these 2 resonating structures are contributing if position 3, either this position is 3 or even this particular position also we can consider as a position 3 again. Okay, if you count from this side it becomes position 1, 2, 3, 4, but if you count from this side 1, 2, 3, it becomes position 3. Okay, so both sides 2 resonating structures are possible, which gives further deprotonation to give the substituted product. So we can see that only 2 resonating structures are present if the electrophile attacks position 3. That means compared to position 3, if at position 2 the electrophile substitution takes place, it gives more stable intermediate. Okay, anyhow the reaction follows through the bond breaking, bond forming, that means intermediate is formed. If intermediate is more stable, that particular reaction it will favors. Therefore, pyrrole, furan, and thiophene undergo electrophilic substitution preferably at a position 2, that is alpha position, which gives more positive charge delocalized intermediate. Now the reactivity order, the statement which we given, that pyrrole, furan, and thiophene are more reactive than that of benzene. We'll see that case one by one. Okay, so we know that electronegativity, when you check the periodic table of elements, you can see the number of electrons present in that, the size of the atom. Based on that we can say whether which is more electronegative. Sulfur is more electronegative than nitrogen, which is more electronegative than oxygen. Now we take the first case, thiophene. The thiophene having lower reactivity. Okay, compared to pyrrole and furan, thiophene is lower reactivity but higher than that of benzene. But why thiophene is lower reactive compared to pyrrole and furan, that is explanation is given here. First point, that is it is having low electronegativity. The low reactivity of thiophene, it is due to release of angle strain, because its bonding radius of sulfur is than that of nitrogen and oxygen. That means it is not having that much bond angle strain compared to pyrrole and furan, so it don't want to react. That's all. Okay, it is not feeling any strain, no stress, relaxed compared to pyrrole and furan. That is the meaning of that. Okay, less bond radius and the strain is very less, therefore it is less reactive. And also it has d orbital, the outermost orbital, it is d orbital, and which formed a bond with that of p orbital of carbon. And the pi-electron system overlapping, it is not that much effective. Therefore, the electron density for electrophilic attack, it is not that much freely available. So that is another reason that thiophene is less reactive compared to pyrrole and furan, but it is more reactive than benzene. Okay, only comparison with the pyrrole and furan it is given here. In addition to that, it can have negative charge on the sulfur atom, and these particular extra structures also contribute towards the intermediate structure. So not intermediate structure, it is having this type of additional resonating structure compared to pyrrole and furan. Pyrrole and furan also gives the resonating structure. This thiophene also gives the resonating structure, and these structures are additional resonating structures. which is not given by thyrol and furan. Therefore, thiophene is more stable, or it is less reactive. Now, the relative reactivity of thiophene and furan can be shown by the following reaction. Okay, we didn't simply we didn't say that it is more less reactive, and we have evidences. This particular compound, ketone, thiophene, furan, attached to a carbonyl functional group, a ketone functional group is present, and the rings, they are having more electron density compared to that of oxygen, compared to that of carbonyl CO. These rings are having more electron density than that of this C double bond. Therefore, the electrophilic attack takes place to this thiophene ring or to the furan ring. And we know that we already explained that thiophene is less reactive. Therefore, comparatively, furan molecule, this particular molecule with oxygen heteroatom, that ring is more reactive, and the position 2 is more favorable for electrophilic substitution. Therefore, nitration in presence of acetyl nitrite and pyridine, the nitration takes place at the furan ring at position 2. Okay, so this will be the product formed. So very interesting structure, and the how the product formed, and where the position of NO2 or NO2 plus can go and attack. Where NO2 plus can go and attack on this particular structure. If you ask if this particular structure where NO2 will go and attack, it will attack on this position, that is position 2 to the furan ring, not the thiophene ring, and not at all on the carbonyl functional group, because compared to carbonyl functional group, thiophene and this furan have more electron density. More electron density is required to attract the electrophile. NO2 is an electrophile. Okay, therefore we can say that this will be the product. Okay, now the case of pyrrole. Why suddenly pyrrole is more reactive? Okay, compared to oxygen, it is less electronegative, and oxygen is more electronegative. Oxygen is more electronegative means it will try to attract the electron towards that, not only contributing the lone pair of electron on oxygen contributing towards the resonating structure, but also it will take some of the electron from the nearby carbon atom. Therefore, it also electron withdrawing also compared to nitrogen. So the greater electron releasing ability of a trivalent nitrogen when linked by 3 bonds, we call it as trivalent nitrogen, making ring carbon atom electron rich and to the greatest stabilization of transition states involving positive charge on the tetravalent nitrogen atom. Okay, so we give the structure. Okay, now this is the positive charge on the nitrogen. It becomes a tetravalent. How tetravalent? 3 bonds are presented here, 1, 2, 3, and fourth one with the hydrogen. Okay, it becomes tetravalent. Positive charge is present on that. Otherwise, lone pair of electron is on the nitrogen. Okay, so this is more stable compared to the positive charge on oxygen. Furan is also reactive, but less reactive than pyrrole towards electrophile, since oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen, which withdraws electrons from the ring carbon atoms. The positive charge is less readily accommodated by oxygen atom than nitrogen atom. That means this positive charge is not as that much stable on oxygen when we compare to that of nitrogen. So the transition state with oxygen atom positive charge resulting from the electrophilic attack on furan is therefore less stable than that of pyrrole. Due to the same reason, phenol is less reactive than aniline. Okay, so I'm not giving separate explanation for that. Due to the same reason, this reason, oxygen cannot carry positive charge so readily, therefore, than that of nitrogen. Therefore, aniline is more reactive than phenol. Now, benzene is much less reactive than 5-member heterocyclic towards electrophile because the reactivity depends upon stabilization energy. Benzene have greater resonance stabilization energy compared to that of pyrrole, furan, as well as thiophene. That means benzene substrate as such, it is feels more stability, will not undergo further reaction compared to furan, thiophene, or pyrrole. Now the stability of transition state. The transition state formed when electrophile attack. The resonance stabilized transition state are having lower stability compared to the transition state of the five-membered heterocyclic ring. So these are the main two reasons why benzene is less reactive. Okay, so the ability of order of transition state has been observed to be as follows. Some of the examples when if electrophile attacks with a five-membered heterocyclic ring with that of substituted benzene, we are taking example. So in case of five-membered heterocyclic ring, the substitution is shown at position 2, and in case of benzene, the substitution of substituted benzene, further substitution is shown at a para position. Even compared to ortho, ortho will be having some steric hindrance, para position will be having better stability, therefore it is also shown. So this five-membered ring, that is pyrrole at electrophile at position 2, is almost same stability with that of NH2 in benzene ring, with electrophile at a para position. Therefore, at para position electrophile and the transition state, both are having almost the same energy level, but it is greater than that of oxygen in heteroatom, that is furan, which is equal to that of phenol. Okay, phenol electrophilic substitution and para position in phenol, which is greater than that of thiophene, which is greater than that of benzenium ion. Okay, so these are the this shows the comparison of the reactivity order based on their intermediate state. So these are all the intermediate state if the electrophile attack and how the intermediate is formed and their stability order it is given. Now orientation in five-member ring with substituent. An electron releasing substituent is present at carbon 2. Very interesting topic. If electron releasing substituent is present at carbon 2, which is similar to that of orthopara directing effect of benzene, substituted benzene, which tend to direct electrophile to C5 or C3 position. Okay, now this is the position C5, C3 fetal. You can say that this is the substituent at position 2. That to electron releasing substituent, CH3 is electron releasing substituent plus inductive effect, as well as it can have hyperconjugation also. Okay, it is electron releasing substituent, and the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So position electron, the next electrophile can attack the position 3 or position 5. Okay, so first preference is given to 5 because that is ortho to, or that is alpha position for the heteroatom. Okay, here X represents the heteroatom, not halogen. In presence of weakly electron releasing substituent like a chlorine or CH3 methyl group, C2 position tend to direct incoming electrophile to C5 position as the major product, and C2 position substitution will be the minor product. In the presence of strongly electron releasing substituent like OCH3 methoxy group or NHCU amide functional group present, NHCU or CH3 at C2 position, tend to direct incoming electrophile to C3 position as the major product. Okay, for example, 2-methyl-thiophene. 2-methyl-thiophene on nitration with nitric acid and acetic anhydride gives NO2 as the major product at position 5, as well as NO2 at position 3 is also obtained. Now, if electron withdrawing substituent at carbon 2, previous case was electron releasing, now electron withdrawing substituent, what will be the difference? It is similar to meta-directing effect in benzene, causes substitution at C4 due to the directing influence of the substituent. Therefore, taking the example 2 nitropyrrole, and the positions are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should give the C4 position. Okay, because it is electron withdrawing group, electron. Therefore, this position positive charge goes there. Therefore, this position also positive charge. Therefore, comparatively, position 4 having more electron density. Okay, you can draw the resonating structure. If NO2, N double bond O is there, that takes the electron. These electrons will go there, and this electron will go here. That means at position 3 it loses electron density, at position 5 also it loses electron density, whereas at position 4 it is not affected. Just like the same as we see in the case of benzene ring with a monosubstituent. If it is electron withdrawing substituent in benzene ring, then it creates a positive charge at ortho and para position, but meta position having more electron density comparatively. Same way here, position 4 is more active for electrophile attack. Therefore, the substituent takes place at 4. Therefore, it will be getting 2,4-dinitropyrrole, approximately 80%. Then position 5, very less, that is 20% is obtained. Now, example with thiophene nitration, will be getting 85% in case of thiophene. In case of pyrrole, it was 80%. Then 15% C5 substituent, 15% is also there. But the directing effect of substituent, if it competes with the alpha directing effect of oxygen, there is a property known as alpha directing in nature of oxygen atom, which causes the substituent to occur at C5. That means oxygen, if present in the heteroatom, it prefers the alpha position. So already one alpha position it is having the substituent, that is position 2. Then the next alpha position, that is position 5. Therefore, on nitration, it gives major product is at alpha position or position 5. It can be seen that we can say as the alpha directing nature of oxygen atom. Okay, oxygen atom directs the electron density towards the alpha position. Now, orientation factor affected by electron releasing substituent at C3. Now we are going to position 3. If already a substituent is present at C3, okay, I'll speed up the work because already it took much time. Okay, electron releasing substituent is present at position 3 or beta position. Then on its reaction gives the substituent at the position 2. Okay, this HCN initially becomes a cyanide group attached to that position. Then further hydrolysis, it will be converted into aldehyde. Aldehyde substitution takes place. Okay, that reaction will study later in detail. Only can say that if electron releasing substituent present at C3, then the orientation is towards C2. In case of sterically hindered alkyl group present, then it can say acetylation example, sterically hindered because CCH, tertiary butyl group present at that position. They are electron releasing, but sterically hindrance is there. Therefore, the substituent try to go away from the groups, not at nearby positions of that sterically hindered group. It goes far away from that, and the acetylation takes place at position 5. Now, electron withdrawing substituent at C3. If electron withdrawing substituent is present at C3, you can read that one. A combined effect is seen. That means the meta directing position as well as the alpha directing effect of the heteroatoms. Okay, so taking the example, okay, electrophile attack and CHO functional group, that is aldehyde functional group, it is electron withdrawing group. Therefore, electron withdrawing group always try to give meta position substituent. Therefore, compared to this, if you treat it as a benzene type ring, therefore ortho position and this is meta position. Okay, therefore meta directing as well as oxygen has got the alpha directing nature. Therefore, combining effect, the electrophile, okay, The electrophile, it is connected or attached or it is attracted towards the position 5. Now, pyrrole, some reactions of pyrrole, important reactions of pyrrole. It's a lengthy video. Please bear with me. Okay, we need to complete this section, 5-member ring. Okay, so a 5-member ring pyrrole, it is taken. Its orientation, if substance attached to nitrogen atom on pyrrole position 1, that means the H is replaced with the electrophile, not having much effect on the orientation. But if it is a bulky group, then it will affect. Steric hindrance, if it is having steric hindrance effect is there. Otherwise, it is not having any orientation effect. Whereas at C2 position, if it is there, it will direct to C5. If substitute at C3, then C2 position attack is expected. If substitute at C2 is electron withdrawing, then C4 and C5 substitution is expected based on the mesomeric effect of that substituent. While electrons withdrawing substituent is at C3 position, then C5 position, the attack takes place. Okay, we'll take the examples, real examples. Nitration of a pyrrole with a normal nitrating mixture, concentrated HNO3, H2SO4 will decompose pyrrole, no reaction, only decomposition takes place. Whereas mild nitrating agents like acetyl nitrate at low temperature yields 2-nitropyrrole as the major, because we already know that pyrrole is more reactive compared to other 5-membered heterocyclic ring like furan and thiophene. Therefore, high reaction, therefore strong nitrating mixture will decompose it. Okay, whereas mild one will give the product. Okay, so this is a mild reagent, CS3CO twice O plus HNO3, or it will give CS3CO NO2 with nitrogen having positive charge at a low temperature, 5 degrees Celsius. We will get to the position 2 substituted pyrrole. Okay, we'll be getting this product. Combination of triphenyl phosphate, silver nitrate, bromine can also use for nitration. Sulfonation. It cannot be sulfonated under ordinary condition because it undergoes polymerization in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Mild sulfonating agents is required, like pyridine sulfur trioxide, to get 2-pyrrole sulfonic acid. Okay, so pyridine sulfonic acid complex. Okay, so pyridine means it is a 6-membered aromatic ring with a nitrogen atom, we call it as pyridine, and the nitrogen, it is further connected to SO3. Therefore, it is pyridine sulfur trioxide complex. Okay, I'm speeding up the presentation because it took time, but anyhow, I'm recording this one and it will be available. Therefore, I'll slow down further now. You can pause wherever you feel tired or you feel confused. You can pause it down, pause the video, and can watch it later. Just like the video so that you can find it easily in your YouTube section, the liked video section. So just put a like there and watch it later if you are tired of. But I will be continuing sulfonation of pyrrole. Very interesting reaction. Okay, if you get bored, you give a break and watch it later. But do come back and watch my video completely. Okay, so we'll be getting sulfonation, SO3H substituent at position 2. If both the alpha positions are blocked means they having already a substituent is present, then sulfonation may occur at a beta position also. Now halogenation, a high reactivity of pyrrole ring system causes it to undergo halogenation at all positions. Very interesting. Say in presence of acetic acid, bromination happen, or in presence of ethanol, if bromination is done, then we can see all positions. You can check the positions, first 2 position, then it will be directing to position 4, then the next ortho position, the next alpha position, then beta position. All position will be covered with halogen or bromine. If I take the reaction of iodine with potassium iodide, pyrrole reacts with iodine potassium iodide, same type of observation is there. All positions having halogen atom. The special reagent like mild conditions, special reagents and mild conditions are required if you want to obtain a monohalogen substituted pyrrole. That means a mild reagent sulfuryl chloride SO2Cl2 in presence of ether or ether as the solvent. Then we will get a mono substitution. Position 2 substitution is possible. Now Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, normal condition, normal alkylation as given by Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is aromatic compound reacts with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to give alkyl substituted aromatic compound. That will not work here as such. Okay, polyalkylation under mild condition it is possible. CH3BF3 below 100 degrees Celsius, there is no reaction. Whereas if excess CH3I is taken around 150 degrees Celsius, then it gives a complete alkalization, not monoalkalization. Polyalkalization takes place plus complex mixtured or different products, monosubstituted, disubstituted, all mixtured products are obtained. Therefore, it is not easy to separate them. Therefore, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is not there, and if you do alkylation reaction, difficult to separate the product. With the Grignard reagent, giving the example, alkylation with Grignard reagent yields 2-alkyl pyrrole, CH3I in presence of magnesium. We'll be getting the required product, that is our 2 substitute, a position 2 having alkyl group. Now, acylation reaction, heating with strong acids or Lewis acids destroys the heterocycle. We need a milder conditions. Acetic anhydride, 200 degrees Celsius. Lewis acid is not used. Anhydrous aluminum chloride is not used. Only acetic anhydride heated at 200 degrees Celsius, you will get a acyl substituent at a position 2, approximately 90%. 2-acetyl pyrrole for acyl substituent at a position 2 of pyrrole ring, as well as beta position also will get a very lower yield plus a CH3COOH. The CH3CO acetic acid is also formed. In presence of sodium acetate, acetic anhydride and sodium acetate is a different reaction. Acyl group attack the nitrogen atom. Usually COCH3 is there at nitrogen atom. Usually we discussed about the electrophilic substitution at the carbon centers, position 2, 3, 4, 5 we are comparing. Whereas nitrogen, it is having electron density, lone pair is there. Therefore, it is more reactive compared to that other position. Therefore, acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate will be getting N-acyl pyrrole. Now, reactions of furan. Nitration, furan is nitrated with a mild nitrating agent like acetyl nitrate with a base like pyridine at low temperature. Reaction proceed by addition elimination mechanism. So this is a different type of mechanism than normal aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, in which we see the benzenium ion mechanism. We already seen this is a different type of mechanism. Therefore, I'm giving the mechanism also. Okay, so you watch this carefully. Okay, so here what happens, the lone pair of electron contribute, goes there, position 2, NO2 attacks. Okay, position 2, we getting NO2 attack, or position 2 attacks NO2. That is better to say, because electron density is there at position 2. Electrons attacks the positive charge center. Therefore, position 2 attacks NO2. Oxygen get positive charge. When NO2 is formed, in the meantime, we'll be having acetic ACO minus. ACO minus will attack that position, because we see in the resonating structure it goes back that, but here when it goes back here, this position becomes a partial positively charged. Therefore, the negative charge will attack there. So we'll be getting circulation at position 5. Okay, that means position 2 NO2 addition, position 5 ACO group addition. Therefore, 2,5 addition intermediate is formed, and this intermediate even we can separate it out. Okay, there is no much charge separation, almost stable. Okay, it is isolable. We can isolate and we can check. Therefore, this product is observed when furan is made to react with this mild nitrating agent. Now we need to get 2-nitrofuran. That is our aim. What we need to do, we need to add pyridine, sometimes called as pyridine also, pyridine or pyridine on heating. Okay, the better pronunciation, you can check it out. Okay, some people call it as pyridine. They'll, if I say pyridine, they may get confused. So either pyridine or pyridine on heating, it takes the proton. Then the removal of acetoxy functional group takes place. Pyridine ring is not taking acetoxy functional group as such. It just assists or help the removal of H proton from the system, and pyridine will not take that proton as such. It will give to the acetoxy group. So acetic acid will be removed, and we finally will get a NO2 substituent at position 2. So this is 2,5 addition elimination mechanism. Okay, whenever we say addition elimination, 2,5 addition elimination mechanism, this type of rearrangement you need to show. I'm not giving all the reaction mechanisms. So you be careful with this. 2,5 addition elimination means this type of rearrangement is expected always. Now, electrophilic substitution in 2,5 disubstituted heterocyclic normally occur at position 3. That is, both alpha positions if they have substituent. Example. However, with the furan, electrophilic substitution occurs with the displacement of a substituent. That is, it may be carboxyl substituent or acyl or halogen. Okay, so this is the reaction I'm giving. So 2,5 disubstitution. Okay, so consider this as two position having acid functional group, carboxyl group, 5 position having methyl group. Such cases, if nitration is done, a special type of rearrangement, special type of substitution takes place. The functional group, carboxyl functional group, or if acyl functional group present, or if halogen is present, they are substituted with NO2. Not the CH3 group, not the other than carboxyl, acyl, or halogen are not substituted. Those are substituted and we will be getting the corresponding nitrofuran. Sulfonation with the furan. Mild reagents like pyridine sulfur trioxide complex used to yield furan 2 sulfonic acid or furan 2,5 disulfonic acid depending upon reaction conditions. Okay, if pyridine complex is used with dichloroethane, 1,2-dichloroethane at a room temperature. Sometimes I'll write RT. RT represents room temperature. Room temperature means our condition around 30 degrees Celsius or within 35 to 25 degrees Celsius can be treated as the room temperature. Okay, oh, and I forgot to explain it. Okay, so it gives the product 2,5 disulfonic acid is obtained in this particular reaction condition, or we'll be getting 2 sulfonic acid if it is even better controlled reaction. Halogenation, it is very vigorous reaction with the bromine and chlorine. It will not react with iodine. Furan will not react with iodine, but with bromine and chlorine, it is very vigorous. Bromination of furan by bromine in dimethyl formamide, DMF, very important solvent as well as reagent. Okay, so reaction with the DMF and POCl3 is very important reaction in organic chemistry. Okay, so at a room temperature, smoothly produces 2-bromo, 2,5-dibromo furan, or with dioxane dibromide at -5 degrees Celsius, both gives 2-bromo furan. Okay, so the reaction 2-bromo furan is the main product, major product. Okay, this reaction also follows the 2,5 addition elimination mechanism. So if asked to write the reaction mechanism, you should write the 2,5 addition mechanism intermediate with bromine split into Br plus and Br minus. Br minus attack the position 5, then further pyridine takes hydrogen from that. DMF takes hydrogen from that. Proton from that becomes HBr as well as the final product. Okay, so it is 2,5 addition elimination mechanism. Friedrichs alkylation will not happen as such with normal alkyl halide, but similar type of reaction it is possible with a mild reagents like phosphoric acid or boron trifluoride. The reaction I'm giving with alkene, phosphoric acid. Okay, alkene will react with acid similar to that of Markovnikov's addition. You heard about Markovnikov's addition. The positive part of the addendum goes and add with the carbon bearing more number of hydrogen atoms to get a more stable carbocation. Okay, so if positive charge is there at the second carbon or secondary carbon, then it will be more stable. Therefore, a positive charge expected at position 2, that means H will be added to CH2. Therefore, that positive charge attacks the electrophile, attacks the furan. Okay, so we'll be getting the product 2 substituent. The second carbon attacks the or getting attached to the furan ring at position 2 because that particular carbocation formed is more stable. Now, Friedrichs acylation, different acylation is possible. Though we call it as Friedrichs acylation, there is a reaction whenever we say about aromatic compound, we use the word Friedrichs alkylation, Friedrichs acylation. Better to say acylation reaction. Trifluoroacetic anhydride acid can give acylation reaction. Anhydrates in presence of phosphoric acid, anhydrate in presence of boron trifluoride etherate, acetyl paratoluene sulfonate, Ac2O, that is acetic anhydride, stannic chloride, results in a 2-acetyl or 2-acyl furan. Okay, after giving all that explanation, reaction tells everything. Acetylation gives a position 2 having acetyl substituent. Now last thiophene of this particular class of presentation video. Nitration of a thiophene, thiophene undergoes nitration predominantly at the alpha position with the formation of 2-nitrothiophene. But when treated with a mild, okay, we know that thiophene is comparatively less reactive than pyridine, and since therefore we can use better nitrating agents, strong nitrating agents we can use. Okay, therefore we can say with this reagent acetoxy-NO2, that is HNO3 and acetic anhydride, okay, will give the substituent at position 2, that is 95% result. HNO3 H2SO4, it gives only 85. So small reduction if the nitrating agent is becoming stronger, the yield is lesser because it affects the heterocyclic system. But milder reagents gives better yield. The nitration of thiophene substituted with electron releasing substance with plus I effect. Okay, so plus I effect, CH3 having plus I effect. Now at C2 position it is having, therefore 3-nitro or 5-nitrothiophene are obtained. But when the substance is with a considerable steric, okay, that we'll see afterwards. Okay, so nitric acid, sulfuric acid, nitrating mixture will give NO2 substance at a position 3. 3-nitro is obtained, or even 5-nitro is obtained. 5-nitro derivative is also obtained, but 30% only. But when the substance is with considerable steric hindrance, tertiary butyl group attached there. So considerable steric hindrance is there. Nitration occurs preferably at position 5. Okay, alpha effect is also there. Now thiophene with electron withdrawing substituent. Reaction tells everything. So electron withdrawing substituent COOH, it is electron withdrawing substituent, will give 5 nitro or even 4 nitro derivative. But 5 nitro, 75%, 5 nitro. So major product if you write, that will be sufficient. But if you know, you can write the minor product also. Thiophene can be sulfonated using 95% sulfuric acid, 70% yield is obtained, but with the pyridine sulfur trioxide complex, about 90% yield is obtained, both are 2-sulfonic acid, thiophene 2-sulfonic acid. Okay, both cases, thiophene 2-sulfonic acid is there, but yield is more with the milder reagents. Halogenation 2-bromo, 2-chloro, 2-iodo thiophenes or 2,5-dibromo, 2,5-dichlorothiophene can be produced under various conditions. Here, different chemical reactions are introduced by scientists. So different positions they obtained it. Therefore, we are just seeing that one. Not much explanation given there. So N-bromosuccinamide explanations are there. I'm not going in detail about that. That much research I didn't do. Okay, so N-bromosuccinamide if we use, we'll be getting a bromine substitution at position 2. If it is chlorosuccinamide, N-chlorosuccinamide, then we'll be getting chlorine substitution at position 2. If you change the reagent iodine at position 3, it will give it is not chlorine, iodine. Okay, it is iodine. Hello, chlorine, go away, come iodine. Okay, it is iodine. Iodine is there at that position now. Now, if a different reagent is used, then different products are obtained. Now that is disubstituent, position 2, position 5 got substituent with the chlorine, just chlorine gas. Oh, it is complete substituent. 2, 3, 4, 5 substituent, tetra substituent with bromine, 2 moles of bromine. That also gives the same result. Same result is obtained. Okay, therefore various conditions will get either 2-bromo, 2-chloro, 2-iodo, 2,5-dibromo, even 2,5-dichloro, or even 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloro, tetrabromo thiophenes are obtained. Alkylation of thiophene with Friedrich-Krafts condition, similar to Friedrich-Krafts reaction, polyalkylization or polymerization takes place. Therefore, alkylization is done with the alkene and phosphoric acid to get the 2 substituent as well as 3 substituent. 2 substituent is the major product. 3 position alkyl substitution is the minor product. Acylation reaction. Acylation reaction with acid chloride in presence of stannic chloride or acetic anhydride in presence of phosphoric acid, both give similar result. Similar result means COCH3 acyl group substituent at position 2. Now orientation in other ring system, heterocyclic compounds, 6-member ring, even one more 5-member ring is pending, that is indole, a 5-member ring with nitrogen as well as fused to benzene ring. Then other fused rings, many other compounds, their orientation is very important in terms of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. That will continue in next class. It was a long class for me, but for you, you can pause the video and watch the video. So thank you very much for watching my video. All these videos are getting uploaded to my YouTube channel, My Intuition. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, My Intuition. Like the videos, share the videos, and support me. What happened? Okay, pause the presentation. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for watching my video and have a nice day.